I need to look perfect. My room needs to look perfect as per my expectation, as per my standard. If you criticize yourself a lot, if you procrastinate a lot, and think that I am the most lazy person in the world and I'm not being productive, if you have ever thought about yourself like that, welcome. I am a person who does not create unless, as per my standard, the video is perfect. Which means, before creating a video, I need to look perfect. My room needs to look perfect as per my expectation, as per my standard. I need to look perfect, and the video needs to be perfect. Which means, hair, makeup, outfit, room, everything that I speak needs to go in a very smooth flow. What it leads to is it makes me procrastinate. And the reason why most of us, very talented, very insightful people, tend to procrastinate is because we want it to be so perfect. So I have done that, and I constantly remind myself not to do it. So, what am I changing? Imagine you are in a world, another world, where nobody is going to judge you for whatever you share, for whatever you create. Nobody is going to hate you. Everybody is going to support you. You have more than enough money. You can enjoy your entire life. So, you have money, you have a sense of belonging. Everybody is going to love you, regardless of what you share. Now, tell me, what do you want to share? Nobody is judging you for your looks. Nobody is going to come and tell you that, oh, what are you creating? Every fear of yours does not exist in this world. Now tell me, what will you create? This is what I would create. When I know that I have everything I need, when I know that I don't need to be perfect, when I know I'm still going to be loved, and then people are still joining, people are still watching. There are no high numbers, there are no low numbers, there is no judgment, no strict levels of what is considered as achievement or success. So I don't need to get 100k or above, I don't need to get so many views, thousands of subscribers. I can do whatever I want. In this world, what would I create? I would want to freely express myself as a person who I am at my core, without the fear whether I'll be liked or not. I can create anything. And that is how you will be able to actually stop procrastinating. Just imagine that world and create anything. It makes your nervous system feel safe enough to express, makes it free enough to express. In this world, there is complete freedom to express yourself, there is freedom to create, there is freedom to love anybody you want to love. It is like I'm already in heaven. There is no judgment, no criticism, no hatred, only love. That is the kind of vibration, frequency we are trying to embody. And that is what we are going to embody through our actions. So you don't need to be perfect in your videos, and you don't need to have everything before you create. So you create everything you want by just having this one thought in your mind that I don't need to perform. I don't need people to like me. They are still going to like me for me. How free is that? I feel so free that I was able to let go of my procrastination in this exact moment. Since morning, I've been trying to create one video. In fact, I won't even say since morning. This entire week, every day, I would get up, wash my head, and then do my makeup, my hair, and then by that time I'll still be tired and I'll procrastinate it. I don't want to create because my nervous system did not feel safe enough to create. I didn't feel safe enough to express myself, which we usually do when we have so many expectations of ourselves. And while all of us may have said, I don't want society or anybody to control me, to control my actions, to decide which path I take. And yet, regardless of our desire, such deep desire that we don't want to be controlled by anyone, we end up still being controlled because the same expectations that the society or anybody has of us, we already have conditioned ourselves that these expectations are ours. So this is my own expectations that was putting me under so much pressure that I have to create, and I have to make so many people like me, and I have to be perfect. I am not perfect. I can't be. And if I have to constantly perform, my nervous system will always be in a fight or flight mode, sometimes even freeze mode, that I don't want to do it anymore. When that pressure comes, when that pressure to perform comes, we just don't want to do it anymore because we want freedom. Freedom to love, freedom to express, freedom to create, freedom of just being ourselves. And we don't want to rely on ChatGPT for that. Even though it is very useful, we really want freedom in everything. What we express, who we are, what we create, how we love, everything. And even if we are wrong, there is no hatred, there is nobody to question us. We are just source experiencing itself. Experience love, freedom, and there might be times that we still end up speaking from our wounded selves, being angry and experiencing all those emotions, and yet that is part of our journey, as is being able to authentically express ourselves, being able to express our love, our creativity, our essence, who we are at our core. So even if what you create is not perfect, you create it because you love it, and because that is what you want to create, that is what you want to express. So there is no perfection, it is imperfectly perfect. Your creation, your love, your expression, it is all allowed to exist. That is what I wanted to share today. Take what resonates, take what makes you feel good and alive in this world, that makes life worth living, what makes you feel happy, content, free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.